Hey guys, I'll be recording this one Siren test. Should be new by now. There it is. Yep, there it is. You hear that? Siren's going off. Yeah, the California government, I went on their Facebook page and they said they're going to test it at noon, and they did. I didn't want to miss this. So thank you, California government, for letting me know about this. I think it lasted for about like 3 minutes. I don't know. Oh, my hand was in the way. My hand's in the way. I'm such a noob. Hey. You hear that? Siren's going off.
I think they're just testing it.
Yeah, they're testing them, yeah.
I don't know what day. I don't normally hear it at our house.
Yeah, but here, I think it's the first Wednesday of each month.
Yeah, it must be.
Yeah, it must be, yep.
That's what I kept thinking. Oh no.
Yeah, I thought it would be a typo or something.
I know.
Yeah, but they test them because they wanted to make sure things are working properly.
Yeah.
In this case, if a natural disaster occurs.
Blow everything out of it and stuff too.
Yeah. Alright, so they turned them off. There they go. There they go. Now. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Did y'all hear that? Sound like a pre-recorded message. Yeah, did y'all hear that? This thing said something about like an outdoor warning system. It's only a test. I think that's it.